everyone, so today I've got an exciting video. I have got the Sunkissed 25 days of Sunkissed Beauty Advent Calendar. If you don't know, Sunkissed is vegan and cruelty free, and this is a 25-day Advent Calendar. It cost me £19.99 on Debenhams. And yeah, we're going to unbox it. It works out about 80p a day. I'm not sure whether I unboxed this Advent Calendar last year. I can't remember, but this is this year's in anyways, and I'm quite excited to unbox it. And we're just going to see. So I actually do like Sunkissed's normal line of their makeup, but normally in their Advent calendars they just put like kind of mini versions of sort of things, but not actually like things they normally sell in their lines. But we'll see in anyways. But we'll get number one. So day number one is here. So it's looking like it's about like the same as they normally do. So this is the Sunkissed eyeshadow quad, and it's just a little square quad and like pretty. Oh, my cat's climbing the curtains. Yep, a pretty quad in like lilac shades, very bonny. We want day number 2, which is up here. Oh, I like the colour. I like the colour range on this one. It is very like, to me, summery, but has snowflakes on. This is it, yeah. Very pretty. I love that. Very pretty. So we're on day number 3, which is here. We have got something that's different. A contour cream. Now, I definitely haven't received this in a Sunkissed Advent Calendar. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's different, isn't it? I like that. I like that we're getting something different. It's 5 grams of product, so not too bad either. Right, that was day number 3. Day number 4, which is quite a big day. Oh, we've got a scrunchie. I like a scrunchie, you know. I like that. I'm quite happy with that day, to be honest. Yeah, I like that. I feel like it feels more like a toweling scrunchie, but I feel like this is like a one that I would wear for bed, something like that. I like that. I was day number 4. When day number 5, one up here. We have got the Sunkissed lip gloss. I'm not the biggest fan of lip glosses in this squeezy, tubey packaging. I don't know why, I'm just not. But it's a really nice shade if you like that sort of type of thing. And anyways, that's number 5. Went to date number 6, which is here. We have got a blusher, and it is in the same like square packaging. I just really wish they didn't put it in this type of square packaging. I want it to be like a flip lid. It's just more usable, really. I understand it probably keeps the cost down. I love that they've got snowflakes on and stuff like that. I just, you know, I feel like they could move forward to more their line. But that's day number 6. And anyways, day number 7 is here. Oh, we've got something again in this like packaging, like this tub packaging. And it is a lip balm, and that is it there. That's quite nice. I like that. I think that's cute. So that is a lip balm. And we want day number 8, which is up here. Oh, now this is funny. We have got the Sunkissed highlight. But you definitely could use that as an eyeshadow or something like that. That is so pretty. Let's have a go swatch of this. That is that there. How pretty is that? That's stunning. Absolutely stunning. That was day number 8. We want day number 9. Day number 9 is here. Oh, we've got a pencil sharpener, and I love this year's pencil sharpener. I'm keeping this. This is amazing. I love that. It's a 2-1. It's like a 2 double-edged pencil sharpener. The pencil sharpener's had a bit of an upgrade. I'm chuffed with that. I'm so chuffed with that. Yeah, I love that. So that was 9. Yeah, 9. So we want 10. I'm sure I've just seen 10. Right, 10 is here. Oh, I like this product. I'm not dissing this product at all. I like these. we're getting one. Whereas I feel like this is more of a substantial product. We're getting one of these in one day. 8 pence. I wouldn't pay 8 pence for one of these. Do you know what I mean? That's day number 10. We want day number 11. We have got a lipstick. Got a Velvet Kiss lipstick, and this is the shade here. Very pretty. Quite similar to kind of what I've got on today, actually, from Lancome. Is it? Or is it totally not even the same? No, it's totally not even the same, but, you know, in my eyes, I was like, oh, that looks similar to what I've got on today. Either day number, that was day number 11. We want day number 12, which is up here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. It's a little brush. Oh, it's good. You know what? For 80 pence, that's a nice little brush. I like that. I do. I like that. Okay, that was day number 12. We want day number 13, which is here. So we've got an eyeshadow quad. This is a bit of me, mind you. This is Bonnie. This is really Bonnie. Really Bonnie. How pretty is that? I love that they've got the snowflakes in as well. I think it's very pretty. Very nice. That was 13. We went to day number 14, which is here. We have got some nail stickers. I feel like we get these in every Sunkissed nail advent calendar. Like, not nail advent calendar. I actually used the leopard print once, and it actually looked really nice. So I'm 8 pence, not really worth it in my opinion. You can get big strips of nail stickers for that price. But I mean, I'm not majorly mad at it, but I'm not chuffed with it either. Do you know what I mean? That's 14. And day number 15, which is a big one. Yes, that's exciting. Oh, we've got something exciting. It is an eye mask. Oh, that is a Bonnie eye mask. I love the shade of that. I'm never going to be able to wrap that back up the way they had it. But that is a nice product. I actually wear an eye mask nearly every night. So I'm not going to complain about that. That's really nice. That's day number 15. We want day number 16. Down here. It says roll today. We have got a bronzer. This is the bronzer. I actually love Sunkissed bronzers. Absolutely love Sunkissed bronzers. If that's one thing I would tell you is from their like proper line, and anyways, I would say buy a Sunkissed bronzer. It's one of my favourite products. So yeah, I'm not complaining about that. So that's 16. Went 17, which is here. We have actually got a proper sized mascara. Normally you get this tiny little mascara, so we're definitely getting a little bit of improvement. It's a full size mascara. I don't want to open it because if you don't know, I give advent calendars away in the month of November. And I use a lot of products from the advent calendars to make advent calendars up for use. I choose a couple of items from each advent calendar to make an advent calendar up for use. And yeah, I don't want to open it for that reason, but it looks like it looks a lot like they've improved it. So I'm dead happy with that. That's 17. We want day number 18, which is a big door. Whether it's good is the question. Oh! Oh! I kind of like this. This is like a comb. Is it like a scalp comb? I don't know. I'm going to have to look this up. I'm liking these items. Yeah, I like that. I feel like it's like a comb you would use in the shower or something like that, or with wet hair, because you're not really supposed to brush your hair if it's wet. I like that. I'm dead chuffed. They're definitely improving, which is good. That's showing they're improving, especially since the last time I've owned one anyway. So that's 18. When day 19 up here. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm sorry, this is stunning. This is a little quad eyeshadow palette. How gorgeous are these shades in here? It's like nothing I own. Actually, my Hocus Pocus palette has colours like this, but that is so pretty. Oh, didn't want. I'm having to go to a second dip for that bottom one, but that is so pretty. So nice. That is so nice. So that was 19. We want day number 20, which is here. We have got a highlighter cream. So that's canny, isn't it? This is it, yeah. It's a new product. We've not seen that before either. We want day number 21, which is here. I'm guessing a lipstick. It's another one of their lip glosses in that squeezy tube packaging. We want day number 22, which is here. Oh dear. So we've got a little nail file, a little baby one. I actually like getting these, but I definitely don't think it's worth the 80p for the day. But I do like getting one of these. I feel like they could have been together, made it less bad of a days, but I don't think that should be one day. So that's 22. We're on day number 23. We've got another one of their lip balms in this tub style, 5 grams. So these tubs seem to be like a set of 5 grams. I'm very fussy with my lip balms, very fussy. So that was 23, 1 to 24, so nearly at the end. We have got another lipstick. It is a velvet lipstick. It doesn't have a shade, but this is it here. That's it there. And then last but not least, which is normally a full-size bronzer, which I absolutely love, the Sunkissed bronzers. So 25, last day, is a full size of their bronzer, which I absolutely love their bronzer. I like the full size of it. I love their bronzers. These, normally the last day, this is like one of their actual products they sell as well. So that's good. So that is the Sunkissed Advent Calendar. I'm looking at the products I've got for £20. And I don't think it's too bad. I definitely feel like it's not the best advent calendar out there. You've got to take into consideration that you're opening it every day. You're paying for the novelty of having a calendar made for you. And £20 is a very budget, you know. And I think for the age range it's aimed at, it's not too bad. But I definitely think if you wanted to just put that extra £10 and get the Profusion one, do you know what I mean? It's like they're two worlds between, like the difference of how good they are. But I definitely can say that Sunkissed is improving on their advent calendars. And I don't think it's actually too bad, especially if you know you like that it's vegan, cruelty free, things like that. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. It's not horrendous. Yeah, but that is kind of my unboxing of this advent calendar. And anyways, what do you guys think of it? I know a lot of you like to be quite harsh on them. I'm starting to be less harsh these past few years, trying to be less harsh. Yeah, but what do you guys think of this advent calendar? I will link it down below. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And you've got to be subscribed to be able to have a chance to win one of my handmade advent calendars as well. Yeah, but I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.